This is episode 2 of a series. Episode 1 talked about MCP, Model Context Protocol. Here we're going to talk about VCP, Validation Context Protocol, which augments MCP, and we'll lightly touch upon caves. We'll get into that in a moment here. From MCP to VCP, connectivity is not validation. MCP solved connection, not trust. Once AI is connected, the next question is, how do we prove it behaves as intended? Validation becomes the missing layer after MCP. MCP makes systems usable. VCP makes them trustworthy. What is Validation Context Protocol, VCP? Proving intended performance continuously. VCP defines what must be proven to maintain trust. Validation shifts from documents to operational context. It focuses on intended performance, not features. VCP is a protocol model, not a tool. Why traditional validation breaks down. Documents don't equal confidence. Validation treated as test and debug. That's how it's been traditionally done. This is costing 25 to 30% of project costs and delivering limited value. And it causes the throw it over the fence dynamic between IT and QA. Validation became a paperwork instead of assurance. Bugs are development concerns. Validation proves processes execute correctly. Focus on transactions, workflows, and outcomes. Validation is the proof of intended performance repeatedly. From point in time to event-based validation with signals, triggers, and outcomes. Validation doesn't stop at go live. Events show success or failure in real time, and this will link directly to requirements on intended performance, consistent intended performance, as well as CQA, critical quality attributes, CPP, critical process parameters, CMA, critical material attributes, collectively quality by design, or QPD. This is a shift. Static evidence moves to runtime signals. CAVES, Continuous Autonomous Validation Execution Structure. CAVES operationalizes VCP. Agents, monitors, and reporters observe outcomes. Validation evidence is generated by normal operation. Now this is conceptual only. We're not diving into deep mechanics yet. The shift from validated once to maintained in a validated state. Validated means detecting invalid or altered behavior, consistent intended performance. It aligns with the intent of Part 11, Annex 11. VCP, coupled with CAVES, maintain trust continuously. Validation becomes something systems do, not something teams prepare for.